It's 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Paul Harding from Martin Harding Mazzotti on the horn.
Morning, Paul.
Hey, good morning. Good morning.
So reading this story yesterday, and I'll just read a little bit because it's short, but police in Berkshire County say they made a troubling discovery while investigating a homicide. Investigators tell News Channel 13 they got word that Matthew Sylvia of Pittsfield was getting a large shipment of ammo from Texas. They say he does not have a license to carry. Authorities seized 60 pounds of ammo at a shipping company, and when they searched his home, they found 8 guns and 1,300 rounds of ammunition. It's not clear if he was the person who committed the homicide.
Right.
And if he wasn't the person who committed the homicide, I guess my question is it illegal to order ammo if you don't own guns?
Well, that was a tricky one. So I actually not only looked into it from the legal front, but I actually spoke to some folks who own a local gun shop. And the rules are, in New York State anyway, there's a few states that are different, but the rule in New York is you can order ammunition. You do not have to prove that you have the gun, that you have a permit for the gun. You need to be 21 for handgun and 18 for shotgun.
No, that's good. See, I like that. I mean, I'm looking for like some subsonic 300 blackout round, and I can't find it. I got to find it online.
But is there a limit to what?
Yeah, good question.
Is there a limit to how much ammo one person can order?
No, there really isn't. That was unique, and so I went online also, and you can kind of get it. FedEx delivers it to your house, but to the extent that I guess there can be some degree of notice given out to the police. I don't know what the probable cause. The probable cause had to have been the potential homicide.
Right, which isn't mentioned in the story, so it's a little confusing.
Yeah, just getting the ammunition to your house. Now we are all registered gun owners now, right? So everyone knows. So I guess they could take a look and say, hey, he doesn't have guns registered. He's getting ammunition. But everything I could find shows that is okay. Now, having that 60 pounds and 1,300 rounds did seem extreme. But when I spoke to some folks who are avid shooters, they said, hey, me and my buddy can go out for half a day and we can shoot 1,000 rounds. So
yeah, I'd love to have that in my basement. Yeah, just being able to go and shoot. Yeah,
that's like my wife shopping at BJ's. We don't need a whole pallet of marshmallows. Well, they were on sale. So I mean, if you're stocking
you
up,
don't have to go back.
But look, it's a technique. It is interesting if you're ordering all this ammo and you are not on the registered gun owner list. Then what are you doing with it, I guess?
Yeah, what if I just want it in case? You know what I mean? Like in case of the Civil War or defense of my home.
What if you're building a bar and you want rounds all around?
Well, that's a great idea, too. What if I
don't
have any seedy need for it,
Yeah, and so you can, as to why they were there and what they know. You can't have 8 unregistered handguns in your house. Let's cross, that's where the line gets drawn, right? So I think that was the problem there.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to keep an eye on this story because the details we got yesterday didn't give us a whole lot. But what we do know from Paul is you legally can order rounds of ammunition and not be a gun owner.
Can I get them on Amazon? Did you check that far?
I did not go that far. No.
I could probably do that myself, Paul, but thank you for your
heavy lifting. You can get your ED med, your bullets, and your prescriptions all
Listen,
online.
just because you're sharing the ED med with me doesn't mean that I have to be the one that buys it every month.
Paul, you're the best.
All right, Paul. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
Paul Harding from Martin Harding Mazzotti, 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com.